Craig here. I'm excited that you've joined me. This video is going to take you just the basic steps through getting your online business up and going for absolutely without one penny and only in about 10 minutes. This video will take longer, just explain it to you, but when you go back and do it, you can do it real quick. Okay, so we're going to roll on pretty fast with this thing. First thing we need to do is we need to open a ClickBank account. Now don't panic. ClickBank is actually a hub for hundreds of thousands, if not into the millions, of ebooks, software, money making programs, weight loss programs. I mean, it's just on and on about anything that you can think of in winemaking, as you see on the screen here. But when you go to clickbank.com, this is the page that you're going to come to. And you see there's a lot of options and all this. Don't worry about all this thing. First thing you need to do is actually go to the top here where it says sign up. Okay, and again, one thing you have to worry about, don't have to worry about ClickBank. ClickBank is only money from them to you. There's no credit card in here, or there's nothing real private about it or whatever. They're the ones that's going to be paying you. So your commissions on the items that you sell. So when you go into sign up, you will actually go see this screen here. Then what you have to figure out is, are you a vendor or are you an affiliate? Well, you are an affiliate because this is actually what you call affiliate marketing. You're actually being an extension of the people that created these products, and you're going to be selling for them, and they're going to pay you commission. So you're actually their affiliate. So what you're going to do is, I'm a new affiliate. Click on that. And then you come through and you got several pages of information. You've got some links here that you can spend some time and go through. It's actually a little training about how to make money being an affiliate marketer, especially these links right here. I would suggest just go through all of them and learn all you can about it. Then get down toward the bottom. You see sign up now. Click sign up now. And of course, then you just got the basic information: your name, your address, and again, remember, it's not money into them; it's money coming out from them coming to you. So don't put a dummy address in there. That's because that's where they're going to mail you a check to. So get that right. Also, on your nickname, this nickname will actually be something that actually shows whenever you actually market a product. You'll see that here in just a minute. So don't, I wouldn't just put this to your name or whatever. I would actually just create a, initials and a birth date or whatever year or whatever the case may be. It's not rocket science. Just anything you can kind of come up with that's personal to you would be fine. But I wouldn't put your full name there. And you come in and put your passwords down the line, and of course then you got to do this little thing here to make sure that you're a real person. So, but once you get all the way through there, that's gonna open your account, and then what you will see is you'll be back to a dashboard like this, and with selections across the top and whatever. And there's a lot of things here that actually will teach you how to make money selling these products and whatever. But we're going to go straight to the marketplace. Let's go look at some products, and I'm going to show you how to get a how to market a product, get it on the internet, and make some money with it. So what we're going to do is we are going to click Marketplace right here. Comes back to this screen here. I was already at Marketplace. Once you sign on, what it's going to do is going to come up to a screen and actually show you before this all the money that you make, and it's going to be like how much you made per day, and it'll show when the money came in, and and on and on. So I went by that. So here we are in the Marketplace. So find products. Here's where you key in. If you want to do weight loss, if you want to do healthy cooking, if you want to do grilling out, barbecuing, if you want to have information about restoring cars, making wine, anything that you want to do. For the sake of today, let's take a look. I've got a friend that's a landscaper, and let's look at landscaping. And click search there. Okay, and it's going to come up and it's going to start talking about, oh, well, the science of great landscape photography, and on down the line here. Let me tell you, while we're here, let me explain this. What you're going to see is all the products in ClickBank are going to be displayed like this, very simply. And you think, well, yeah, what is this? But you know, what it's going to do is it's got a highlighted, you can highlight the title, click it, and it will take you to the sales page that has been created and the actual marketing information that's been created for you to sell this product. Over here is actually a dollar amount, and this is the average that ClickBank pays, like to us, for selling this particular product. So it sells for $19.95. It pays $18.72 commission back to you. Okay, so let's go on down. You'll see some it says NA. That means that they're relatively new. They don't haven't sold enough out there to really have an average. So we'll go on down. Some more landscape photography. A lot of photography, landscape ideas. Let's go on down to one that caught my eye a minute ago. Japanese garden designs. Now, it's going to pay $15.98 for each sale. So that's all right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click on this. It's going to take you to the sales page. Okay. So you see that she's got a nice little bamboo background. Got some flowers here. Now, this sales page actually becomes your website, your personal website, to sell this product. And well, I'll keep showing you how that happens here in just a moment. She's got a video on here about her product. You just go on down the line. Japanese garden design. That's her ebook information. So if we go on, keep going down, there's some testimonials about people that's actually used her product on down the line, and I have actually been in here before, so it just goes on and on. There's a lot of information. She's got a lot of pictures, a lot of diagrams. It's very well done. So anybody that's interested in doing in gardening, this would be an eye catcher for them. So, but here she starts adding some bonuses. So she's got another book that she's going to add called Garden Customization. She's got another one that's going to be Garden Installation. Another one, Japanese Garden Designs, time membership. Then she's going to have the bonus 4 is Japanese Garden Designs walkthrough video. So that's on top of her original book. Now, as you get down toward the bottom, then you'll see, yeah, it's $29.95, and of course you click here. It takes care of the ordering. You don't have to worry about ordering anything, shipping anything, or whatever. ClickBank does all that for you. And actually, this is all these products are all download forms. So, so actually, once you click on, then you can download all this information, the videos, the books, and whatnot. So, okay, let's roll back up. So it's $24.95. So if you remember, how much do we get if we sell it? Yeah, $15.98. So what we're going to do is we are going to promote the Japanese garden design. And what it's going to do, when you hit promote, it's going to pop up with a screen just like this. And here's that code that you created I was telling you about. Mine's Sky 1955. It's not a real private thing. Just don't use it, because I'll get your get your money. So like I say, it's all money coming out, no money going in. So that's the way this works. And then what you do, you hit create this tracking ID. Don't worry about that. When you get real big, you can make your own little code file system or whatever and key your own little code there, but it doesn't matter here. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we'll hit create. It's going to create 2 codes. Now, if you're building a website and you want to drop this inside of a website into the coding of it, here is what you would drop in, and then this would actually appear embedded inside your website. That's not what we're going to do. We're going to do email marketing, and as well as a lot of other website type things. You can actually use this other, which is called a URL link to that. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight that, and I'm going to copy it. Now this link right here, this HTTP:/, it's just like it would be like if it was Facebook.com or Google.com or whatever the case may be. But this is your unique code telling the system, this is my link to this particular product. So if once they go there using this link and they buy it, I get the money. So this is something you really have to use here. So I highlighted it and I copied it, highlighted it, right-clicked and hit copy. Okay, and then I'm going to close. I'll just close this window because we don't need it anymore. And then what I'm going to do is actually I am going to go to my email. Okay, and then I'm going to go in and I'm actually going to send an email to myself. Now on this email, what I'm going to do down in the body, I'm going to click here and I'm going to right click and I am going to post that link on my email. Okay, now what I want to do here is like I'm going to send this out to folks, whatever. I'm going to say like, take a look at this. Okay, and you can hit enter and send it, and if somebody clicks on this, they would go to that particular to your website, your new website, and if they buy it, then you would get your code. Chances are I wouldn't click on this. This looks like something that came from Russia. Not to actually offend any of your Russians, but it's not very attractive. It looks like it could be a virus. It would be, people would be skittish of that. So what I would do is let's say click here to see this. It's great. Time. Okay. Now you can spend some time in doing whatever you want to say to whoever you're emailing, things like that. But what we want to do is we want to highlight this. And guys, on your and whatever your email system is, whether you're using Gmail or whatever your case may be, this is kind of a standalone thing that's actually built in I've got it on my computer here. It's Incredimail, but there is actually across the top, you've got all kinds of little things, and you should have something that looks like a little, it could be some type of little chain links. This one here has a world and chain links. Well, and then it comes up and says hyperlink. Now you have a hyperlink somewhere or other right across the top of your page there. So you should have a link there. So click on that once you've highlighted that. And what it's going to do, it's going to pop up a little hyperlink thing. So what I want to do is I'm going to get rid of that extra HTTP. And remember, I had this in my copy because I copied and I dropped it there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy, I'm going to go right there, I'm going to right click, and I am going to paste that right in there again. Okay, and as we run it back, you'll see that that whole code that I got from ClickBank is in here, and we're going to hit enter. Well, now what's happened is, as you'll see, click here to see this. It's great. It's highlighted, underlined, and turned green. Turned blue. So it's actually going to be a link to this. Now, what I would do is I would just do away with this. I would get rid of this, where that wasn't even be in here. Okay, let's just go ahead and do that because I'm not going to click on that. And again, it's just not very becoming. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this to myself. Shoom, there it goes. And here in a couple of seconds, you're going to hear a little dog bark. I have a little dog that runs on my screen, but he's across the bottom. You won't be able to see him, but you'll hear him, sure. And there we go. There it is. Take a look at this. So we're going to go to my email, and there it is. Okay, click here to see this. Now, what I'm going to do is I get this in email, and I'm going to click this. What happens? Wow, there is your website. You are done and already in the hands of other people to take a look at this thing. So it's all right there. Okay. Now, what's going to happen is, and let me shrink this screen so I can pull it down into your camera view here. Okay. All right. Now I've clicked on this and it's going to this page. And if we look across here, it's going to say Japanese garden designs, blah blah blah. Hop equals the sky 1955. Now that's that little name I was telling you about creating. It's going to be attached to everything that you sell. That's going to be what you call a hop code. And so whatever you make that nickname to be, that's one you'll see and live with. Is it obvious that that's my year of birth? I'm sure. So I'm telling my age here, but this is the code that I was telling you about. So make it something that you like, or something that and it's going to be kind of a non-event thing because you don't even pay any attention to it because that's up there when somebody clicks on it or whatever the case may be. So anyway, but one thing let me warn you to do: don't take that code and drop it in Facebook and send it out to your friends. Facebook really frowns on it, and after you do that a few times, your friends are probably going to defriend you for marketing on Facebook to you. And I'm going to have a video about making a fan page on Facebook where we'll market this. So look below. If it's November of 2013 right now, and so in the next few weeks, I'm going to have that one down there too as well. So it's later on down the line. I'll already have a bunch of them added here. So, but anyway, that's going to get you in business. And go back and look at this again, step by step. And if you have any issue or any question, you can email me. My email address is on my website, where you can shoot me an email or make a comment to me or whatever, and I will answer your questions to get you up and rolling. And you take care. This is Craig, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.